Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Everybody calls me Cajun, so yeah, I'm from Louisiana. If you want to know more about me, check out my other videos. I am here to do an unboxing from New Craft Day. New Craft Day is a diamond painting website. They have diamond painting pins and wax, and they have all sorts of things. So I will leave what I'm going to show you in the description portion of this video. Now this video was supposed to be filmed at Christmas time, around Christmas time. So I couldn't get to it then because of, you know, my mother has been ill. And I've been taking care of her. So she was in the hospital and for quite some time. And I'm way behind on my videos, but I am catching up. So if you are new here, welcome and keep watching, okay? I promise I'm making all the videos. It's just gonna take me a hot minute to catch up. So I'm gonna start by showing y'all what I received from New Craft Day. Thank you to New Craft Day for sending me these products to show on my channel. Everything that I'm showing you today will be linked in the description portion of this video. So there's that. So I hope everybody's doing good. I'm so glad to be back filming. So this is a diamond painting and it comes with a toolkit. Everything you need to diamond paint. It comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pin. This is a round drill diamond painting. So of course it comes with the drills as well. And this particular diamond painting is of course a form because everybody knows I like all diamond paintings, but my favorite things are farm and sea turtles, ocean scenes, sea turtles, scenery, farm sceneries. Y'all look, I love this. It's so cute. So this is a 40 by 30 centimeter. They have a legend on the left hand side top and the right hand side bottom. And let's see. It does have the DMC codes on each side of the numbers, of the letters, corresponding numbers, letters, whatever. This is the thumbnail. It's so pretty. I love it. It does have 21 colors. So this one has 21 colors. So cute, y'all. Look how cute. The drill field is clear, as you can see. I love this one. It's so cute. I hope y'all can see. Look the bird. Look the pretty little bird. I love it. It's so pretty. Look the big wreath, Christmas wreath on the barn. The silos right here. It's a silo. I love it. Look, the trees, the Christmas trees. The snow. Y'all, look how pretty. I love this. It's so pretty. It looks real. It looks like it's real, like you're really there. I really liked this one. That's why I chose it. As a matter of fact, I think I chose another one just like it from another company. We're going to check the stickiness on it. And it is a round drill. So the stickiness is great. Absolutely great. I usually never have problems with these, y'all. They always really sticky. They're really good. They're really sticky. I like them. I mean, everybody has their opinion. That's my opinion. I never really have problems with their drills either. I think I'm going to be doing this one for... I am going to be doing this one for an event coming up, I think. Okay, so these are the drills. They're round drills. They come pre-packaged in Ziploc baggies, so you don't have to kit up if you don't want to. They're already kitted up for you. Like I said, there's 21 colors. And these are the colors. Look how pretty that color palette is. So cute. I really do like the colors. There's a good variety. And it's not too many, so it's perfect. I love it. I love those colors. I love this purple. Love it, love it, love it. Some blues, light blues. Different color blue, white, of course. I like this like maroonish. I don't know. It looks maroon right here. But it's, yeah, it looks like a maroon. Or a dark mauve. I don't know, but it's real pretty, this color. Love it. So pretty. So, of course, the barn's going to be red. The barn's going to be red. The rest, you know, greens, whites. A lot of white. Some light blues for the sky. I love it. I absolutely love this one, y'all. This up. I know y'all can just see my nose. I have to back up. So pretty. It looks real. Look, I love it. The mountains in the back. It doesn't seem to have a lot of confetti at all. A lot of color blocking here and with the snow. A lot of color blocking with the barn and the snow. I think it's gonna be easy to work up. I like it. I never have trouble with their drills. I mean, sometimes you get trash drills, but it's not often. I don't anyway. I don't have a lot of trouble with drills, trash drills. So that's one thing. And this will be linked in the description portion of the video. And I'm going to take out the other thing. Like I said, this was Christmas stuff. And because of my mom being sick and stuff, I didn't have a chance to film it. Okay, so sorry. So this also comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. Everything you need to diamond paint. So, y'all, this is all you need. That's it. And I know y'all seen a dozen of these, but I'm going to show y'all a dozen in one. I can put it together. Maybe not. All right. So, there's a Christmas tree. And the drill field is clear. And it's a tabletop ornament. It's a special drill. So, yes, I do have another one. I have a blue one like it from a different company. Because I liked them and I thought they were so pretty. I really did think I was going to have time to work on them, but I didn't have time, so, you know, sorry. I'll do it when I can. Right now, I'm trying. But I love it. It's really cute. It sits on a tabletop. Or wherever you want to put it, snack bar, you can use it as a decoration. But look at that. The drill field for the special drills are really clear. You can see those. Look how cute. It's going to be so cute. I can't wait to see it complete. It's not going to be difficult to do, of course. It's going to be easy to do. Pretty sure the stickiness is good. I'm not going to undo it because I'm scared that it doesn't go back right. And I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to show y'all the drills for it. Instead of covering my face. Oh my gosh. So these are the drills. I'm going to take them out. So y'all hold your ears. All right. We have stars. We have marquee looking ones. Look how pretty, y'all. So pretty. We have red. Maybe I could show y'all this way. Ah. Red ones. Bigger red ones. Diamond looking ones. We have green. more red, but they're smaller. All these are smaller. Like on, this is more of a green. This is more of a lighter green, darker green. They look aquish, but they're really green. These are like brownish color. And then we have the smaller clear ones. They look silver. Well, they're not actually clear. They like a light black-ish kind of color. I don't know. It's a weird color. They look clear though. So those are the drills for this. And like I said, these were supposed to be for Christmas, but you know, things happen and things happen. So for the snowy red barn, it is a 40 by 30 centimeter for this one, and it's at the time it was $5.70 when I ordered it. And I don't have a price on the table of the tree table ornament because when I clicked the link, I don't know, it didn't come up. So I don't know if there are any more of these left. And that was today as of this filming. So they may have some more soon, or or may not, I don't know. But y'all can go check it out. I'll leave the link anyway in the description portion of this video, and still go check them out. They have so many diamond paintings to choose from. So y'all go check them out. Like I said, I'll leave everything in the description portion of this video. I want to thank everybody for watching, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.